Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. So today I am going to be sharing my day 3 of fasting for 21 days. I just wanted to jump on here really quick and tell you that day 3 went amazing, and today is actually day 4. So day 3, I was working at my friend's house again, and I was cleaning and organizing. The days are just going by. I have much more energy. So I had my juice in the morning, and I did not have my smoothie. I made my smoothie, but I didn't have it. So I went all day with only a juice, and that was from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. I stopped working with my friend at 5 p.m. and she came and told me, she was like, "Girl, do you know what time it is?" I'm like, "No." She was like, "You didn't eat lunch." I was like, "I know, I have all this energy." And she was like, "Did you at least drink water?" And I was like, "No, I didn't." So long story short, I have a lot of energy. When I left my friends, I did start to feel hungry. I decided to go to a grocery store and get another type of soup. And also I wanted to get the other items that I needed so I don't fail on my fast. So I got my juice in the morning, and then I went to the grocery store and I got a soup, which I'm going to share right now. And then I also got, it was so amazing. So I went to go get some more oat milk, and they have buy one, get one free. Now, this oat milk is not cheap. It's $6, but it's worth it because it doesn't have any chemicals in it. So I had to report that. I was like, oh my gosh. So anyways, of course I got a few of those buy one, get one free. And then I had half a cup of the soup for dinner, and it tastes really good. So I'm gonna start incorporating that into my meal plan for the remainder of this week. And then once I get off of the fast, I'm gonna still buy it maybe like once a month. So with that being said, everything is going good. I woke up this morning feeling really refreshed, and the only thing was I am noticing So the only thing with that is I am noticing that my body is healing, and right now is healing in the area of like my sinuses and my throat. So there's something that's needed to be healed in that area, and I can feel it, and I noticed it this morning. So just letting it do what it needs to do. I've been stretching more and just getting my body in alignment with where it needs to be. So anyways, I pray that you all are well. Thank you for sharing your journey. For all of those who have shared their fasting journey and also giving me tips, I greatly appreciate it. So be blessed and be sure to do something good for yourself. And I will be weighing myself and taking pictures, but I haven't got a chance to do so just yet. Okay, so be blessed, and I will see you all tomorrow.